or Andy and Micah. You have come here today to pledge your love before God and before the church here present today. In becoming husband and wife, you give yourselves to each other for life. You promise to be true and faithful, to support and cherish each other until death.
Andy, wear this ring as a sign of our faithful love. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
I would raise my age out of this place, separate, but you're close for a better run, I was told.
Ang sa atin ay panalangin at pagsuporta sa kanilang dalawa. Nakita natin yung pagiging masigasig ni Andy na kahit na may trabaho siya sa South Korea, lagi siyang pumupunta dito para maghanda at hingin ang kamay ni Micah. Have you come here of your own free will and choice and without compulsion to marry each other?
We have.
안디 마이카는 우리가 가지고 있습니다.
Save your life as so you never know and never own. Ain't it funny how we went nowhere?
마이카, 당신은 일생 동안 좋을 때나 나쁠 때나 부유하고 때가 가난할 때도 아플 때나 건강할 때나 안디의 남편으로 삼아 주시겠습니까?
Funny how we went nowhere.
Pero ang alam natin, Micah, ay bilang isang Katoliko, Kristiyano, ang kasalang ito ay panghabang buhay. Now, you are about to exchange your marriage vows. The church wishes to be assured that you appreciate the meaning of what you do, and so I ask you, may your love for each other reflect the enduring love of Christ for His church.
I can see it all, the color of the morning when summer turns to fall. Gone from what it was, quietly unfolding right in front of us. Words and
Will you love and honor each other in marriage all the days of your life?
We will.
안디 마이카는 우리의 그렇게 할 것입니다.
It's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally.
Are you willing to accept with love the children God may send you and bring them up in accordance with the law of Christ and His church?
We are.
안디 마이카는 우리는
Need to write it. I knew you were right for me. Remember how we are, living every minute, loving every part. I'll keep it in my chest, recited like a heartbeat, if ever I forget. Words and tales from storybooks can't compare, they're not as good. It's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally.
Micah, do you take Andy as your husband, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness, in health, all the days of your life?
Opo, Father.
But I don't need to write it. I knew you were right for me. For me. There's just no denying. I knew you were right for me. For me. I don't need to write it. I knew you were right for me.
At tanggapin natin ang mga bagong kasal, si Micah at si Andy, ng masigabong palakpakan.